This says write the following statement as an equivalent statement using the if-then connective, and then write the converse of the statement. The statement that we're dealing with is no real numbers are imaginary. Now, I don't have any magic solution to how you think this through, but the bottom line is you've got to write a statement. You've got to write a statement that involves if-then, and it has to say exactly the same thing logically as this statement. This statement says no real numbers are imaginary. So changing that into an if-then that says exactly the same thing logically has got to begin with some if. No real numbers are imaginary. So I would say if a number is real, according to this, no real numbers are imaginary. So if a number is real, then it is not imaginary. Now, we're not saying this statement is either true or false. All I'm saying here is that statement is logically equivalent to the original statement. In other words, they have the same truth values. I'm not saying this is a true statement. I'm just saying that whatever the truth value of the original statement is, this statement has exactly the same truth value. If a number is real, then it's not imaginary is exactly the same thing logically as saying no real numbers are imaginary. Again, I don't know any magic to say how you figure that out. You've got to think it through and make sure the statement that you write is equivalent to the original statement logically. The other part says to write the converse of that statement. So once you've got it written as an if-then, the converse part is easy. The converse of a statement, if you've got P implies Q, the converse is Q implies P. So we just simply reverse the roles of P and Q. So the converse would be if a number is not imaginary, then it is real. And all I've done there is reverse the roles of P and Q, which is what a converse does.